Habits account for the majority of our behaviors every single day. Habits are the difference between homeless people and millionaires. Habits have the ability to destroy everything in your life or create the life of your dreams. It just depends what those habits are. And so in this video, we're gonna be discussing the 3 habits that rich people have that poor people don't, and how to immediately implement them in your own life. Stay tuned. Answer this honestly. At the end of every month, are you struggling financially? Are you living basically paycheck to paycheck and just can't quite figure out how to break that cycle? Humans are creatures of habits, and unless you're intentional about changing your habits, you're gonna be doomed to a poor person's mentality forever. Rich person habit number 1 is that we work smarter, not harder. I know a lot of people out there who are working extremely hard, but unless you're working smart, it's never going to work. Because the truth is, it's literally not possible to get rich working for someone else. And I know there's outlying cases like people who, go on to become the CEO of Google, but that happens to 0.00001%. The rest of the people who actually go on to create real wealth and establish themselves financially all work for themselves, and they all have to figure out how to create their own businesses. And I'm not trying to say that you should never work for someone else. I know that if you're not born into a rich family like some people are, you have to work for someone else. You have to put your time in so that you can save enough money to actually go out and start investing into yourself and into your own business. I worked as an accountant for a year, right? I literally saved every single penny that I could so that I could afford to actually invest into my own ideas and into my own businesses. The rich person mentality is to create systems that earn you money while you sleep. And the poor person mentality is to work more hours or try to get paid more per hour from someone else. It's not possible for most people to get rich working for someone else. So the first habit is we work smarter, not harder. The second habit of rich people is that we know our numbers. Poor people, as soon as they get a paycheck, they go out and they start spending it. They have no idea how much income they earn. They have no idea how much their expenses are each month. As soon as they get a paycheck deposited in their account, they go out and start partying with their friends and spending it. And then all of a sudden, at the end of every month, they're surprised that they don't have any money left. If you want to have a rich person mentality and you want to develop rich person habits, you have to know your numbers. You have to know exactly how much you earn, and you have to know exactly how much your expenses are so that you can know how much extra money you have. And another rich person habit that I'm gonna give you as a bonus, this one's not even included, you wanna save at least 10% of your monthly profit. And I mean profit. The money after all of your earnings minus all of your expenses is your monthly profit. You wanna save 10% of that just in case there's ever an emergency down the line or a great investment opportunity, or you wanna be able to save it and start to invest in your own business. Saving money when you are working for someone else is how you start to build the foundation of being able to actually invest in yourself, create your own business, and start to develop your own financial wealth. And so habit number 2 is know your numbers, know how much you're earning every month, know how much your expenses are. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know anything. Habit of rich people number 3 is that we're constantly growing and learning and actually applying that new education to our own businesses. And what I mean by that is that the poor person mentality is as soon as you finish with high school, as soon as you finish with college, that's it. You're done learning and now you're going to work. But rich people understand that is not the end, right? Rich people understand the famous quote by Jim Rohn that formal education makes you a living, but self-education makes you a fortune. And when you stop learning, you're completely dead in the water. I know that all billionaires and all people who are incredibly rich, they learn something new every single day, and they apply that learning and they apply that experience, and then they implement it into their own business. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, make sure you tap the little red subscribe button right here, turn on notification bells, and leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know whether you have rich people habits or if you have poor people habits, and let me know if you're going to improve those habits if you, of course, are the latter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy hustling.